what they did was, they chased the dream. Just like all of us. If they had three options, they chose one. They opened their own. They went on their own. And they fell in love with their dream. They were so passionate that they made it a reality, not just a perception. And they ruled the world. 1888 is when this company was established. 2012, this company disappeared in 3 days. You have to understand, this is not a small event that happened. I'm going to tell you a little more about a lot of other things that happened to a lot of other companies. Those were all 5-star companies. And you know most of them. But this story has certain meaning because no other company like BlackBerry, we'll talk about this, it's not called the BlackBerry effect. We at source code call it the Kodak effect. You know what? Because the flash was too strong for their own good. They got blinded by the flash of their own product. उन लोगों को ये समझ आना बंद हो गया था कि what is beyond the shimmering light of their own product. Technical sense इतनी ऊपर चली गई थी कि emotional sense zero थी. They became professionals, a little more smarter than what they required to become a customer anymore. They could not empathize. You have to understand, this is not a small event that happened. Now what I'm thinking, and you know what my question to every professional is, that we know what Kodak is, and we can use the case study for Kodak. Why can't we use the Kodak effect as well as Kodak? And what is the Kodak effect? हुआ क्या? 1996 में 67% global market, $31 billion की worth से Kodak के. What happened? The first one to introduce the digital camera. Don't think उनके पास digital or कोई technology innovation नहीं थी. That's the first one to come up with the digital camera. और जो वित्त मशहूर हुई थी Kodak की कि वो digitization में नहीं आ सकते. They're the one who actually invented it. They did invent it to go digital. What was the one thing that they were not doing? And this is what this window is all about, that I want you to look from. This is why I said, do not take leadership. This is not leadership. This is a whole different ballgame. Leadership is just the beginning. In the end, the whole book that I'm trying to tell you is about how to actually establish a perspective which is going to save the whole, so that you can not go into the Kodak effect. What was going on in that company's neural center? That neural center that generates intelligence. Ability